you have to do the same thing to close it, but put one weight. See, look, it's fully closed now, but see these cracks? See, it didn't make a noise. You have to put it down hard. So, like, watch. Hope you liked that, and subscribe to my video and check out my brother's. It's called Marty Reynolds. His name actually Nolan. And if you like this video, thumbs up. If you didn't like it, I don't care. You can give it a thumbs down. And if you watched the whole entire video, please comment down below Coca-Cola Bear. Bye.